Welcome back to the topic on depression in freezing point. We have considered some points on the depression in freezing point along with the relationship between the depression in freezing point and molar mass of the solute. Now let us take some numericals based on this depression in freezing point. The first one goes like this. The amount of urea to be dissolved in 500 cc of water. 500 cc of water whose Kf is given. Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. To produce a depression in freezing point. To produce a depression in freezing point of 0.372 degrees Celsius is dash. So the options given are 3 grams, B 6 grams, C 9 grams, D 0.3 gram. So we have direct question on the calculation of the amount of urea to be required. Now if you consider this urea, its formula is NH2CONH2. This is urea. Its molecular mass is 60. There are 2 nitrogen atoms for which it is 28. For 4 hydrogen atoms it is 4. 1 carbon 12. 1 oxygen 16. So it is 60. So molecular mass is 60. So we have this delta TF is equal to, depression in freezing point is equal to 1000 Kf W2 divided by W1 into molar mass. But we are supposed to calculate the mass of urea, that is W2. Here delta TF is given as 0.372 degrees Celsius. Therefore, W2 is equal to delta TF into W1 into molar mass divided by 1000 Kf. Now W1 is given as actually volume given 500 cc. For dilute solution we can take density as 1. Therefore volume will be equal to its mass. Therefore we can take this delta TF 0.372. W1 mass of water, that is 500 grams, into this molar mass of urea 60 divided by 1000 into Kf is 1.86. So on simplification, you cancel 3 zeros for these 3 zeros. So it is 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 0.372 divided by 1.86 will get. If you look into this relationship, it is 0.2 into 30. That is nothing but equal to 6.0 gram. So the option B is correct for this. Now let us take the second question. What is the freezing point of a solution containing 1.7 gram of a solute of molar mass 46. Of course the unit is grams per mole. Okay, 46 dissolved in 100 grams of water. 100 grams of water. Now directly calculate delta TF first, because it is the freezing point of the solution asked, which is the difference in the freezing point of water and the solution. So delta TF is equal to 1000 kf W2 divided by W1 into molar mass. So this 1000 kf, it is 1.86 for water. Usually that will be given. Kf for water, Kf for the solvent will be given. So it is 1.86. Mass of the solute is 1.7 gram divided by mass of water 100 grams. Molar mass of that substance is 46. So on simplification you will be getting 0.69 degrees Celsius. This is delta TF. Therefore, freezing point of solution is equal to T naught, that is delta TF is equal to freezing point of solution is equal to freezing point of water minus freezing point of solution. Delta TF is freezing point of water minus freezing point of solution. But this is 0.69. This is 0. Therefore, freezing point of solution is equal to 0 minus 0.69. It is minus 0.69 degrees Celsius. Usually, comparing to the water freezing at 0 degree, the solutions will freeze at lower temperatures, which are usually got in the negative values. Sometimes in the multiple choice questions, they will give you two options with the minus 0.69 and plus 0.69. Freezing point depression is 0.69, but freezing point of the solution will be minus 0.69 degrees Celsius. So that is the next question. The third question that we can have, a solution boils at 100.18 degrees Celsius at the atmospheric pressure. At the atmospheric pressure, Kb and Kf for water are 0.52 and 1.86. Both are expressed in the same units, Kelvin kg per mole. The freezing point of solution is. So the solution will freeze at what temperature? That is actually the question. So here we have delta TB is equal to Kb into molality. Similarly, delta TF is equal to Kf into molality. Now you remember, the freezing point of the solution is asked. That means for the same solution which boils at 100.18 degrees Celsius. So from this we have 0.18 is equal to 0.52 into m. This will be delta TF is equal to 1.86 into m. If we take the ratio, delta TF is equal to delta TF divided by 0.18. Okay, that will be equal to 0.52 divided by 1.86. Therefore, delta TF is equal to, it is 0.52 divided by 1.86 into 0.18. This is actually, we get 0.654 degrees Celsius. This is only depression in the freezing point. As I told you earlier, the freezing point of the solution will be, minus 0.654 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer will be minus 0.654 degree Celsius. So these are some numericals based on the depression in the freezing point. The next colligative property is osmotic pressure, that we shall take up in the next video. Thank you.